Hello viewers, so we are now going to see observables. So observables like functions like promises, so which will do multiple executions in an order, and it has an error statement and it has a complete statement, and it works like promise. Okay, so but it has advanced features. So we will see those things in this video. An observable is like a function that returns a data stream either synchronously at once or asynchronously over time. What it means, we can explain in simple concept means we have a database and we have a lot of data present inside this database. It should be fetched over to the front end through the to the front end file, HTML file, which has been pushed to the through the Angular. So these values will be pushed in a time gap, time seconds. So these things will be done easily through observables. Promise will return a single value, but observables emit multiple values over a period of time. That's the main functionality of this one. So we have three things inside this. One is next method, and another one is error method, and another one is complete method. When we have two extra methods like subscribe and unsubscribe. Subscribe method, once that is written and that is called, then only this observable will start working, and unsubscribe will be used for stopping the observable. So in this example we can see these three methods: next, error, and complete, and the extra and the observable methods like subscribe and unsubscribe. So we have to subscribe to get the values done, like next item, error happened. These things will be present inside there, and complete method will be showed like that observable is completed its execution. So we have unsubscribe method for stopping this execution. So here also the same example is a rewritten, but here we shorthand these three methods: next, error, and complete. So next is replaced by an x, and error is replaced by an x, and complete method is replaced by full parenthesis. So it is almost working same like the previous one, but this is a short syntax one. So this is example 3. The same thing is written. Here we have multiple next methods, but only one error and one complete method. So next methods we can have a variety of numbers based on our constraints. So that will work as usual. And below they have they written here we written an observable methods with all the next error and complete methods, and next to that we subscribe it, and through the subscription we got the messages on a regular basis based on the timings. First next methods will be executed, and then error, then complete, it will executed. Okay, so guys, please run these examples to know what the difference of how it is working. So you can use some time methods, date and time data, so we can push it over a period of time. So how it works, everything we can know from those things, and we can use some REST API calls. To do some REST API calls, we can call some databases, and from there the values will be pushed to the subscribe method, so that you can get a very clear idea. So overall you can say like it's a good interface. Just like works like Ajax, but it was more pretty good than Ajax and Promise. Okay, thank you guys. Thanks team, thanks for the support, and all the very best for your interviews.